Hey guys, I'm back. Still on my little dirt road. Hopefully, this will make some decent video. Not a lot of vlogging, just talking about what I'm doing, which I guess is okay. Main reason why I wanted to get out today. Hey Aaron, some mud. Aaron Aardvark Adventures. That was my tiny little bit of mud for you. Yeah, I just wanted to get out today and ride this VStrom on some dirt roads, scuff up the tire a little bit, and share it with you all a little. So, as you can see, this is my plan for the day. It seems like the rain has stopped for the moment, so might not have a whole lot more mud for Aaron Aardvark Adventures to watch, which is okay with me. Sorry, Aaron, but sorry, Ian. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of the mud, so I'm actually going to try to avoid it, especially when I'm out here by myself. I want to thank everybody for watching, for checking it out on the little VStrom. Hopefully, I will start having some VStrom videos on Wednesdays, because I really want to do this again soon. Maybe find somebody to come along and explore some of the other stuff that I've not been on. That way I have an assistant to help me with the ride. There's a Facebook group around here that I've been following called Adventure Touring, North Carolina. And hello. I think I want to try to get together with some of those guys at some point, but some of the riding they do looks like it might be way above my skill level. But I guess the only way to get better is to just keep trying. So thank you all for hanging out with me and listening to me ramble on, which, again, it is called Moto Ramblings. So I hope everyone can stay well, stay safe, but most of all, stay happy. Get out and explore. See y'all.